video, I will walk you through how to delete a Facebook business page and also how to reactivate a page if you no longer wish to delete it. First, go to the top right corner and select, you might see your profile picture, select account here, and then go to see all profiles, and it will show you a list of all the pages that you have available. Select the page that you wish to delete. So I'm going to select ABC Wellness. And then you'll be on that page. Click back again in the top right and go to Settings and Privacy. Then go to Settings. Then go to Privacy. Then go to Facebook Page Information. Scroll down on the right until you see deactivation and deletion and click View. You have two options here to deactivate a page. This is if you want to temporarily deactivate a page. And you also have the option to delete a page if you want to permanently delete a page. I'm going to show you how to permanently delete the page. So I'm going to select Delete Page and click Continue. Facebook does give you the option to download your information. So any posts or photos that you have on a page, you can download it and save it. You can also transfer a copy of your information to, for example, Dropbox or Google Drive, for example. And this includes your posts, your photos, and your videos. I don't want to do any of that, so I'm simply going to click Continue. Then it's going to ask for your password. So you need to enter your password. So I'm just going to select my password. And then I'm going to click Continue. And it's going to confirm that I want to permanently delete my page. It gives you a notification that you can reactivate the page within 30 days if you choose to do so. So I'm going to click Continue to delete. And the page is now deleted. Now, if you want to reactivate the page, simply go into your Facebook page, go into Pages, and then on the right side here, you will see the option to activate any of your deactivated or deleted pages. So if you want to reactivate a page that you delete, just simply click Activate, and you will be able to activate that page. Okay? If you found this video helpful and you want more videos like this, leave a comment below.